Hello internet, my name is Tori and every new video pretty much has been in a new room, and that's not entirely on purpose. So if you're new, I'm just going to say now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy, and comment down below if you are doing this pan, because I think I found almost everyone who's doing this pan, but I need to see if anyone slipped through the cracks that I didn't check out. So we're gonna go through this. The playlist with all the other ladies will be linked down below as always, along with Alexi and Rebecca who started this, and we're gonna jump right into it. The first item that was used up was the LA Colors Electric Blue eyeliner. This was number 45, which was something from a lesser known brand. So I literally can't even sharpen this anymore, and I would get again because it is cheap. But now that that was gone, the number that was generated for me by the random number generator on Google was number 14. And that is something I would recommend to anyone. So this is the Aurora Glow Kit. This is how to beat in. You would see if you follow my panning Instagram. I picked the shade Eclipse, which is this more light orange type of highlight that actually works with my skin. My goal is to hit pan on this. I would recommend this because before getting this, I had no real like colored funky highlighters in my collection. Like I just had like rose gold, gold, and like the funkiest thing I had was Peach Goddess by Jeffree Star. And then I saw this on sale, so I bought it, and like honestly, I think you can kind of tell. Besides, this one's just abuse. All of them have like marks in them, and I've literally, besides like these two I don't wear in public, but like Eclipse is nice enough where I can wear it in public. So honestly, getting yourself funky highlighters is like, for me, like I find it amazing. And if you don't like them as highlighters, you can use it as eyeshadow. So like, that's why I would recommend it. So now the next one, I hit my goal in 29, which was a product in a palette. And I picked from the Tartelette Tease palette. It was the shade Crush, and my goal was to hit pan. So I hit the tiniest amount of pan possible, but I did hit my goal. So now this is out. And Google picked for me number 28, a product you wouldn't repurchase. So I technically didn't even buy this for myself, and the reason I picked this, besides the controversy that I've discussed multiple times, this shade in particular keeps breaking on me, and the only way I've really gotten some use out of it so far was from using it in Frankenshadow. So my goal is to hit pan in this. This is from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Smoke Quad, and it's the base shade. So technically I've already hit pan on it, but I want to get bigger pan. This is from me making the Franken shade, and then this was dropped the other day when I was filming a video that you'll see later on. Yeah, it broke on me and got big pan. So I just want to increase the pan size because I don't want this in my collection anymore. I have no need for it anymore. And then the last item that was completely finished was number 6, an old favorite, and I picked the Maybelline Rocket Mascara. The reason that this is finished is because I had to declutter it, because this and another mascara and eyeliner were making my eyes water, and I couldn't pinpoint which one it was because I used them all at the same time. So I said F it, and I put them all in my empties, which you would have saw. So I pulled in, the number generated for me was number 20, and it's a product you don't reach for enough, and I picked my TARDIS Pro palette because I was focusing on it at the beginning of the year to try to pan the whole thing, and I did a lot, and then I needed to use it for throwing shades, so then I repressed new shadows, and there's still shadows in here that I could use every day and I didn't. So I picked the shade Edgy. So there is a dip in Edgy, and I just wanted to, my goal is to hit some sort of pan in it to get more use out of this bad boy, because I mean, look at it. Pan, 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 this pan in the baby corner of this one, and like, you know, just want to get use out of it, so when I go to, if it's not finished at the end and you throw it out, I won't feel like $58, not 58. I won't feel like this was a waste for $54. Next is number 38, and it's something you're afraid to pan, and this is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Mini in Kitten. Now, hopefully you're able to see, there is a lot of, I don't even know, but you can see through it a lot. So hopefully this is done soon. This one, I'm gonna have to work a lot harder to hit my goal. So this is for number 25, a product you would only buy on sale, and I picked the Kathleen Lights and Morphe eyeshadow. This was from the palette that they came out with, and I'm pretty sure I did buy it on sale. I'm not really like, I have no real opinion for Morphe, so I kind of don't really care about them. So if I were to buy anything from Morphe, I would most likely buy it on sale because I have no fucking opinion. My goal is to hit pan, and since there is a dent in it from when I made a giant Franken shadow a long time ago, I've been trying to concentrate my brush in there, but I just haven't been reaching for it a lot. I've been trying to go through some other shadows. So next is number 30, a new item in your collection. At the time of starting this pan, it was this little dude. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Stick in 110 Porcelain. This was an old favorite of mine, and then I finally decided that I want to go completely cruelty free. So this is the last time this buddy will ever be in my collection. I do not have a lot left. Hopefully this is done by the next update, if not the finale. Not worried. Next is number 11, a product you don't like. It's more like I don't like this shade, and it's the Jordana Fab eye pencil in soft brown. So I make steady progress with this dude. I would like to get to, I never made like a set goal with this dude. Obviously I want to finish him up, but I haven't made like a set goal that I'm aware of at this moment in each video. I would like to get to the F in Fab, if not more. Yeah, not too worried. I just want to get this out of my collection. Next is number 1, a product with cute packaging, and I picked the Tarte Mini in Party. This boy got a lot of pan, but it's not used up yet. So I got work to do, boys. That's funny considering mostly girls watch these videos. Next is number 41, a limited edition item, and I picked from the Urban Decay and Leanne collab the shade Bunbun. I have not been making a lot of progress on this month. I've been focusing on other lipsticks. I don't see myself finishing it by the end of this project, but I still want to get more use out of it because it is really nice, and I think the main reason I don't grab for this a lot is because once it's on my lips, it stays on for a long time. Their formula, Urban Decay's formula, is amazing in my opinion, and their bullets. And a lot of the other lipsticks that are in my pans, I tend to need to reapply, which I gravitate towards them more because I know that I can use them up quicker than I can use this up. So that's why I haven't really been reaching for it, but I still do reach for this a lot, so I won't be disappointed if I don't finish this by the end of the project. Next one, and the last one, is number 48, something you consider decluttering, and this is the QKI highlighter. Now, I've got this, I received this in an advent calendar for Christmas, and after going through a lot of the stuff, I considered decluttering pretty much everything from it, and I considered decluttering this highlighter at first because I thought it was very similar to the Tarte Exposed highlighter, which is a product that I'm currently trying to pan, and my goal is to hit pan in this. But now after using it, I kind of really like it. Don't judge your makeup till you use it. But yeah, I think I might have some baby pan hopefully with that highlighter by the next episode. Wow. By the next update. But if I don't, hopefully by the finale, I'll have some pan in that. I'm not too concerned. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. And peace out, Girl Scout.